Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3 or 4 years ago, I think. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is actually a pretty low-key photo. Well, I want to try to make some kind of something like illustration type image. I just want to try to make something light pastel color, add something like that. Well, just challenge. She's a model from Office Rhythm in Okinawa, one of the best model agency in Okinawa. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image, then change blend mode. Let's see. Pretty dark, huh? Well, really low-key image to make it some kind of a light image is pretty much challenge. Well, overlay. This is nice. Overlay and what else? Vivid. Well, this was pretty much low exposure, so I pushed so much. I think that was a 1600 or something. So it's so grainy. Luminosity. I like this color. I like this. Pretty much nice pastel color. Well, let's select multiple, then duplicate layers. Now I'm gonna merge selected to get one image. Then let's see, I want to darken more thick colors, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer and top of the layer change the blend mode to multiply to get pretty much dark. Well, tone down just a touch, 70, 60, so we see some orange-ish colors and some lips and stuff, blue shirt color. Okay, merge down. Now this is gonna be the base image, and I'm gonna add some pastel colors later. Okay, I'm gonna change names. Now this is original image. Then this one I gotta change the blend mode, luminosity to normal. Now we see that pencil drawing type image. Then top of the layers, this is a luminosity effect layer. And also this is gonna be the base image. So I'm gonna move this one, go all the way bottom. Well, we have empty layer here. I'm gonna add color later. And well, let's see, move this layers now. Then I'm gonna, let's see this blend mode of pencil drawing type image. I was thinking about this overlay. This is pretty nice light image. Okay, then see, tone down 75% of this original image. Then pencil drawing type image overlay 100. We get pretty light image. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. Then let me see, I'm gonna add color on this empty layer now. Okay, use basic to sort around opacity. Okay, I want to change the blend mode to color. Let's see if I move this color layer under this pencil drawing type image. Pretty dark. Okay, use the eraser tool. Same soft round opacity. Just tone down some. It's something new finding. Okay, add. Getting interesting. Okay, now so much for now. Let me see, let me move this color layer. Reason why I'm thinking about moving this color layer, I want to combine this pencil drawing type image overlay 100 and original image 75% opacity combined together to get one layer. So I'm gonna select two layers, duplicate two layers, duplicate layers, then merge selected to get one image now. Alright, then I'm gonna move these two images. Go all the way down, then bring this one back to blend mode normal 100, pencil drawing type image, turn it off to keep it, and then also original image. Okay, now this is not pencil drawing type image. I'm going to change rename this. Okay, this is original 75% opacity and combined to pencil drawing type image overlay effect. Now I'm going to make mask on this image. Yeah, I'm going to create empty mask. Now invert mask so we can see through this base image. Alright, now I'm going to reveal this mask with, now that was a pretty interesting brush texture. Painting to, there we go, roughing brush. Well, in this case, I shouldn't combine pencil drawing type image. Okay, I changed my mind. Just leave this layer as it is. Just turn it off. Now, okay, add colors here. Okay, I got it. Now I'm gonna add another layer here, top. Then fill in with white. Fix a layer. Then I'm gonna make mask. Now we use same roughing brush. Okay, I'm gonna move this color layer on top of this white layer. Then this one I'm gonna change to normal. Now we see the colors. I'm gonna fix this later. Now I'm gonna reveal this. Yeah, I'm gonna add color here now. Okay, I'm going to change brush to soft round opacity. Well, still kind of light image, huh? Let me turn these off. 3, 4. Now I want to look at this. Okay, this is overlay 100%. 75, that's what I used on here. Okay, let me try this way. Select multiple, 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now march down, march selected, one image. Then again, duplicate layer. Now one layer, I'm gonna smudge this. Smudge this with Impressionist. Let me see. I just want to try. Okay, smudge on this base image, alright? I'm smudging to skin, her skin to be smoothed out. Too much. Okay, I'm gonna change brush. The smudge tool to, let's see, dry media to pastel square. This was pretty smooth, I think. It's not much. Change, smooth out, soft chalk. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe this works alright. I'm using that smudge tool, soft chalk. Okay, smooth it out, pretty good. Smudge tool image. I can smudge it later on. Okay, now turn it off. This is without smudge. I move this one, this face image, move up, turn it on only this. Over this original image, move up. Then I'm gonna turn on these images. Turn on to see the image. This one too. That's all. This original pencil drawing, I'm going to turn it off. No. Well, then this is smudge to image, right? So create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm going to reveal this with roughing brush. That's fine. Now I reveal to show the smudge to image. A little bit darker too, huh? Alright, this is smudge to image. A little bit darker. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up some, touch up more. Okay. Alright, so many layers. I'm gonna explain to you this now. First of all, I had this original image, then I add this pencil drawing type of image, change blend mode to luminosity, which I got this image. Then this color is pretty thin, so I doubled this colors, darken to make this base image. Well, color wise I think it's kind of interesting, so this is gonna be the base image, luminosity effect layer. I add this original 75% opacity image to pencil drawing type image, change to overlay effect layer, this much. I made mask to this way, so combine, just this much I just add. Then got this image is smudged image to change with mask. This much. Okay, then I add white layer with mask. This is a white layer, white border. Then I add color. Well, that's it for today. Well, kind of complicated, but I can touch up more details and stuff. So this is it for today, and kind of complicated. I hope this movie is going to help you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I'm going to finish up these details and stuff to finish this image fix. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and let's be creative, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.